So most of you are worried that you placed the order for the Novice and Trooper tire, but were unable to add the t-shirt. Although we suggested some of the tips and tricks, and most of you were able to add the t-shirt. But in case you have received one update, yes, the arcade team itself helping participants to claim the t-shirt in case you missed during the swag claiming process for the cohort 2 price counter. He'll tell you how you can get it back. Now, before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and do like the video. So, if you have missed the Novice Tire or Trooper Tire t-shirt, you must have received this email from Printos. Okay. Now, here, this is your Printos URL, means your price URL, with which you have got the swags. Okay. In simple words, it's the unique URL which you have received for claiming the prizes. And here is your order ID. Now, how you can get the swags to your personal means how you can get the swags back. So here a Google form is there. You have to check your mailbox. Okay. You must have received the mail from Pintos. In case you haven't received, wait for some more time. Now you have to click on it. Now here what things you have to provide. First of all, you have to mention the order ID in the email. See, not everyone can claim the t-shirt. See, for only the genuine participants who have been eligible for the prizes will be getting the swags. So order ID, you have received the form link and the order ID in your respective email. So you have to simply copy the order ID from here. Okay. Carefully copy it, paste it over here. And from here, this is our t-shirt size. You can see this is a complete size for the dry fit t-shirt. You can just check your size. Okay. In general, I personally prefer if my size is L, I prefer XL, but it's up to you. See, sizes may differ from person to person. So depending on you, you just select your t-shirt and simply click on submit form. Okay. Once you click on submit form, you'll be getting the swags and it will be added to your price counter. Do not worry if you have placed the order earlier and t-shirt was missing. This is your opportunity. Hurry up before 31st or mostly by 31st you have to claim all the swags. So I'll recommend before 31st complete all the formalities. And if you have received the prize email and if you haven't claimed the prizes, I have attached the video how you can claim the prizes for the Novice to Ranger, sorry, Novice to Trooper tire and Ranger to Legend tire. Make sure to watch the video. And if you want to participate, basically you are a new participant in watching the video for the first time, how to register in the arcade program, I have covered a detailed video for that also. Hurry up and claim your swags before it's too late. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.